This is a quick video to show you how to create your own magic content board. This is for when you really don't want to screen share, you want to stay in shot, you want to talk through the content, and it really works. So what you need is some contrasting colored card. You'll need Zoom US because that's the one that's got the virtual background, and that's what we're going to use. And then you save your content into the choose virtual background. Want to know more? Well, I'll just talk you through it. So to flick through another slide, I'll just show you. We start with, so you'll notice that you drop down, you'll find that there's this little video sharing thing with a little arrow. If you click on that, you can see that you've got several options. Choose virtual backgrounds that you want to click on. Once you've clicked on that, you'll end up with something that looks like this, all right? You use that little plus there to add any content that you've saved onto your computer. And then you use this, once you click on this, you can choose which color you want it to be. So even if you haven't got any green card, it can be any color, as long as it's not one you're wearing, or else you'll get some other strange effects. So just to remind you, it's really simple. To make your own magic content board, you will need some contrasting colored cards, Zoom US, and content saved into virtual background. That is how you make one.